Why does a falling meteor have so much kinetic energy? Imagine a tiny pebble falling from a mountain top. Now picture a huge meteor hurtling through space towards Earth. What makes the meteor's energy so enormous? Let's find out. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because it's moving. The faster something moves, the more kinetic energy it has. The formula for kinetic energy is 1/2 times the mass times the velocity squared. That means if you double the speed, the kinetic energy becomes 4 times bigger. So, speed really matters here. Meteors start their journey in space moving at incredible speeds, often tens of kilometers per second. They are pulled toward Earth by gravity, which makes them accelerate as they fall. Because they are already moving so fast in space, they arrive in Earth's atmosphere with a huge amount of speed. When they enter the atmosphere, air resistance slows them down a little, but not enough to stop their high velocity. Larger meteors are less affected by air resistance, so they hit the ground still moving very fast. This high speed means their kinetic energy is enormous. When a meteor strikes the ground, all that energy is released suddenly. Part of it turns into heat, which makes the meteor glow brightly and sometimes vaporize parts of it. The rest of the energy causes shock waves and craters. This is why impacts from big meteors can be so destructive. Their kinetic energy can be millions of times greater than a powerful explosion. From a heat transfer point of view, when the meteor hits Earth, its kinetic energy quickly transforms into heat and mechanical energy. The intense heat can melt or vaporize the meteor and surrounding rocks. This energy transformation is a key part of thermodynamics, which studies how energy moves and changes form. In simple terms, a meteor has so much kinetic energy because it is moving at extremely high speeds due to Earth's gravity and its initial velocity in space. Since kinetic energy depends on the square of the velocity, even small increases in speed lead to huge increases in energy. When the meteor crashes, that energy is released suddenly, causing heat, shock waves, and sometimes massive craters. This shows how energy in motion can cause powerful effects, especially when moving at such incredible speeds.